I am Professor Dr. R.B. Singh, a fellow in the University of Minnesota in Minneapolis and presently working on brain-body connection at Moradabad. Heart disease as well as diabetes and stroke, hypertension, they have become a public health problem. Up till now, we have been looking for blood glucose and also cholesterol and triglycerides, but more recently new biomarkers have been discovered, and one of them is glucagon-like peptide 1, which are secreted from the L cells of the intestine, proximal ileum and jejunum. And these from the receptor, these receptors are called GLP-1 receptors. These receptors are very rich in intestine, but they are also present in the brain, heart, liver, pancreas, muscles as well as bone. So in all these organs, if there is a GLP excess, the people would be healthy. But if there is a deficiency of GLP, the diseases of all these organs would be produced. For example, in the heart, there would be heart attack and atherosclerosis. If it is in the blood vessels, then hypertension. And if it is in the liver, then fatty liver, and then in the bone, the osteoporosis. So GLP appears to be quite important, and it can be increased in our body by lifestyle changes. For example, if we eat 400 grams per day of fruits, vegetables, and nuts, and another 400 grams of whole grains, which are rich in fiber, in conjunction with about 50 gram to 100 gram per day of olive oil, perhaps we can increase our GLP and prevent these diseases. Also, if we add physical activity twice in a day, GLP resistance can be decreased, and this would improve the insulin sensitivity, which is important in the prevention of cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Thank you.